Hey guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js AI image background remover web app using WebGPU, similar to Canva and Remove.bg websites. So you have used this website a lot, which is called as Remove.bg. This is a really famous website for removing backgrounds, and similarly you have used Canva as well. So I built out this my own, which is basically can it's a single page application similar to this website. It also removes backgrounds. The interface looks something like this. You actually select a bunch of images. So this is actually the full directory structure. The link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code. And after you purchase it, you will get the source code from Google Drive. And if I show you the actual libraries that I used, we have used the latest version of React. We have also used ONX Runtime Web, which is a model for removing the background of images. So we are running this application on localhost, and the interface is quite simple. You actually select a bunch of images. So once you select the images, the background will load and it will try to process each image and remove the background. So you can build out your own Canva and remove background clone. So once it completes, it will be showing the output here. You can able to download the image. So if you're interested, guys, you can purchase the full source code, and you will see that it's fully customizable. It's coded inside TypeScript, each file. So the code is fully customizable. You can even add more additional features on top of this project. So now you will see the background is successfully removed, and apart from that, it also gives you the option to customize the background with a customized color, or you can even change the image as well. You can basically select a different image for the background, and once you are happy with it, you can download this image. So just click download button, and in this way you can select multiple images and it will be able to remove the background and edit your images inside this React project. So it can take some time for certain images for detecting the background. So you just need to wait for certain images background, but ultimately it will work. So you will see the second image background is also removed. So if you're interested in this project, guys, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code.